In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Escape the Backrooms online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Escape the Backrooms can be played multiplayer online, and you will be able to make a private match so only you and your friends can play, or you can join a public lobby to play with other random people online. To do this, open the game and go over to the multiplayer tab. As I've said before, if you are going to be playing with friends, you need to add each other through Steam. So the main way to play online is through Steam, so make sure that everyone is added on the Steam friends list. If needed, go over to your Steam profile, choose the friends category, and then share your Steam friend code. After that is done, on the multiplayer tab, you will find all of the servers being hosted by random people around the world. If you just want to join a random online session to start playing, you can go ahead and choose the option to join. You will see the latency displayed here alongside the amount of players who are currently connected to a lobby. So you just choose any of these and you join. It's as simple as that. After everyone is ready, the host can start the match. Alternatively, if you choose the option to create a server, you will be able to host an online lobby, so the maximum amount of players can be set to 4. So you can have up to 4 people officially in a lobby. There is an alternative method using Cheat Engine to set it to 16, and I have already made a video about this if you would like to do it. But assuming that you are playing with a maximum of 4 people in the same lobby, then the default game will be enough. Make sure that you take this option if you want to make it a private lobby so people around the world won't randomly join, and you can play only between you and your friends, and then create the lobby. Inside of the lobby, the option to invite will be available at the top, and this will open your Steam friends list, allowing you to hand out the invites. Once everyone appears here under the host, you can configure everything about the save and then start the game. Once everyone loads in, you can find each other around the map and interact with the game together. I hope I was able to help you on how to escape the backrooms online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.